Welcome to Are You a Genius? Before we begin, try this quick challenge. Which one of these animals can sleep while standing? Is it a cow, a horse, a sheep, or a pig? Did you get it right? Let's get into the quiz. This quiz has 20 questions divided into 4 rounds. Each round has 5 questions. Every question has 4 possible answers, but only one is correct. As you progress, the questions get harder, and later rounds are worth more points. 50 points is the maximum score. Keep track of your score as you go, and see how many you can get. Some questions will follow today's theme, which is geography. If you're unsure about a question, take an educated guess before the timer runs out. Even geniuses need a little luck sometimes. Are you ready? Let's find out. Round 1. Let's begin with your first question. Which of the following is not considered to be an ice cream flavor? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, onion. You have 6 seconds to decide, starting now. Time's up. The answer is onion. Score 1 point if you got it right. Here comes the second question. The famous Grand Canyon is located where? Is it the United States? Antarctica? Under the ocean? Or the moon? 6 seconds on the clock. Choose now. The correct answer is the United States. That's 1 point if you answered correctly. Ready for question 3? Which iconic landmark is located in the middle of Paris? Big Ben? The Colosseum? Statue of Liberty? Or the Eiffel Tower? What's your choice? Begin. The right answer is the Eiffel Tower. Did you get it right? Add 1 point. Let's move to the next question. In chess, which of these pieces is not allowed to move diagonally? King? Queen? Knight? Or bishop? It's time to make your decision. Go! The correct choice is Knight. Award yourself 1 point if you got it right. Here's the final question of the round. What type of musical instrument is a glockenspiel? Is it a woodwind? Brass? Percussion? Or string? You have 6 seconds, starting now. Here comes the answer. Percussion. That's 1 point if you're correct. That's the first round complete. The next 5 questions are slightly harder. A couple of extra seconds will be added to the timer, and correct answers are now worth 2 points. Let's move on to the second round. Here's the first question of round 2. Which of the following cities is the capital of Australia? Canberra, Sydney, Adelaide, Melbourne. You have 8 seconds to decide, starting now. Here's the correct answer. Canberra. Score 2 points if you got it right. Let's see what the next question brings. What is the primary gas found in Earth's atmosphere? Is it nitrogen? Hydrogen? Carbon dioxide? Or oxygen? 8 seconds on the clock. Choose now. And the correct answer is nitrogen. Give yourself 2 points if you got that. Question 8 is next. The ancient city of Pompeii sits near which volcano? Mount Stromboli? Mount Olympus? Mount Etna? Or Mount Vesuvius? What's your choice? Begin. Time's up. The answer is Mount Vesuvius. That's 2 points if you answered correctly. Your next challenge is question 9. How many American states does Route 66 span? Is it 7? 8? 9? Or 10? It's time to make your decision. Go! Let's reveal the answer. 8. Add 2 points to your score if you got it right. Here's the final question of the round. Approximately, how many bones does an adult shark have inside its body? 12? 42? 206? Or none of the above? You have 8 seconds, starting now. The correct answer is none of the above. That's 2 points if you're correct. Round 2 is over. From here on, the questions become much trickier, and the timer will now start at 10 seconds. Correct answers are now worth 3 points each. And remember, if you're unsure, take an educated guess. Welcome to the third round. Here's the first question of round 3. The 200th day of the year falls in which month? Is it June, July, August, or September? You have 10 seconds to decide, starting now. Here's the correct answer. July. Award yourself 3 points if you got it right. Let's continue with question 12. By latitude, which of these cities is furthest north? London, Beijing, Berlin, Toronto. 10 seconds on the clock. Choose now. Time's up. The answer is Berlin. Give yourself 3 points if you got that. Ready for the next question? The decathlon includes all these events except one. What is it? Shot put? Discus? 800 meters? Pole vault? What's your choice? Begin. The answer you were looking for is 800 meters. Did you get it right? Add 3 points. Let's tackle the next question. Which of these countries has the most time zones? Is it France? Russia? United States? Or China? It's time to make your decision. Go! And the correct answer is France. That's 3 points if you answered correctly. Here's the final question of the round. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, is found in which ocean? Pacific? Atlantic? Indian? Or Arctic? You have 10 seconds, starting now. Here comes the answer. Pacific. Add 3 points to your score if you got it right. Round 3 is complete. Now it's time for the hardest questions in the quiz. This is where the big points are earned, as each correct answer is now worth 4 points. Are you ready? Let's begin the final round. Here's the first question of round 4. In science, what is the only letter not to appear on the periodic table? J? Q? X? Or Z? You have 12 seconds to decide, starting now. The right answer is J. Score 4 points if you got it right. Ready for your next challenge? Which major river crosses the equator twice during its course? The Amazon? Congo? Mekong? Or Nile? 12 seconds on the clock. Choose now. Let's reveal the answer. Congo. That's 4 points if you're correct. Up next is question 18. The Drake Passage separates Antarctica from which continent? Is it South America? Australia? Africa? Or Asia? What's your choice? Begin. Time's up. The answer is South America. Give yourself 4 points if you got that. Moving on to the second to last question. Sailing for Spain. Who led the first expedition to sail around the world? Christopher Columbus? Ferdinand Magellan? Vasco da Gama? James Cook? It's time to make your decision. Go! The answer you were looking for is Ferdinand Magellan. Did you get it right? Add 4 points. And now, the 20th and final question. The hottest official air temperature on Earth was recorded in which location? Sahara Desert? Arabian Peninsula? Alice Springs? Or Death Valley? You have 12 seconds, starting now. Here's the correct answer. Death Valley. Award yourself 4 points if you got it right. That's the end of the quiz. So, how did you score? If you scored between 0 and 15 points, better luck next time. 16 to 25, not bad. You're on the right track. 26 to 35, very good. You really know your stuff. And if you scored 36 to 50, congratulations, you are a genius. And if you scored the full 50 points, you're the ultimate genius. Let everyone know how many points you scored in the comments below, and be honest. Share this video with your friends and see how they do. Please hit the like button, it really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more quizzes like this. Until next time!